Imba here. Family, we at Afrikiko restaurant here in Accra, and we have a wonderful Ghanaian buffet. You know, this is one of the special days where we all dress up, looking sharp, and enjoying a nice nighttime dinner out in the city. So we're just here to show you a real view of what our people are eating, because people always ask me, what do we eat in Africa? Right? So lots of veggies right here, and what we have right here, lots of soups. More soup. It's a lot of fun. I mean, as you can see, family, there's lots of different choices. Right, they have everything here. Check this out, my brother. Bam, some fish. Okay. So we're gonna enjoy this wonderful meal, and we'll keep you in spirit and let you know how good the meal was.